your Lucy's on the floor? Come on now, man. You ghetto as hell. With the fucking goose on the side.
Are you recording this?
Man, this is ratchet ass bullshit. He ratchet.
No, I'm not ratchet.
Man, you ratchet. For the motherfucking stank cover. Let me tell you why you ratchet. You in a fucking Toys car, motherfucking 3 feet smaller than the twin size bed. You about 6'3". The bed 4'11".
I'm about 5'11", 6 foot.
So you got 3 Lucy's on the floor, with the goose on the floor, with a fucking strawberry fruit punch tea, Lipton, whatever.
That is a fruit punch tea. Not even a tea, it's a brick.
Whatever. And my Puerto Rico hat. Dog, you better not catch on fire in this bitch. I'm gonna close the door and let your ass burn. Shit, no it ain't. Oh shit, my daddy calling. Gotta go.